In this video, you will learn how to say, do you speak Indonesian? Or what language do you speak in Bahasa Indonesia? Okay, let's get started. How to say or how to ask, do you speak Indonesian? In Indonesia, we usually ask or usually say, apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia? Apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia? Apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia? And you can change bisa with paham or ngerti. So you say, apakah kamu paham bahasa Indonesia? Or apakah kamu ngerti bahasa Indonesia? But the easier is bisa. So you just say, apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia? And other ways, you can say, kamu bicara bahasa apa? Kamu bicara bahasa apa? Kamu bicara bahasa apa? Or you can say, bahasa apa yang kamu pakai? Bahasa apa yang kamu pakai? Bahasa apa yang kamu pakai? And you can change pakai with or gunakan. So you say, bahasa apa yang kamu gunakan? But the easier is pakai. So you just say, bahasa apa yang kamu pakai? Okay, now I'm gonna explain. Apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia? It means, are you able to speak, to understand Indonesian language? Apakah kamu, are you, bisa, able to understand or to speak bahasa Indonesia in Indonesian language? Are you able to speak Indonesian language? And the second one, kamu bicara bahasa apa? Kamu bicara bahasa apa? Kamu, you, bicara, speak, bahasa apa? What language? What language do you speak? Kamu bicara bahasa apa? You speak what language? It means, what language do you speak? And bahasa apa yang kamu pakai? Or bahasa apa yang kamu gunakan? Bahasa apa? What language yang kamu pakai? That you use. What language that you use? Or what language do you use every day? Bahasa apa yang kamu pakai? Bahasa apa yang kamu gunakan? Gunakan and pakai is use. So here it means, what language do you speak? Or you can translate the English. Do you speak Indonesian? Do you, apakah kamu speak in Indonesian, bicara? Do you speak Indonesian? Apakah kamu bicara bahasa Indonesia? So you can choose which one is easier for you. But in Indonesia, we usually say, apakah kamu bisa bahasa, in what language do you want to say? Apakah kamu bisa bahasa Inggris? Or apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia? Any language. And now you will learn how to answer the question, apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia? Or apakah kamu paham bahasa Indonesia? Or apakah kamu ngerti bahasa Indonesia? And to answer this question is very simple. No, yes, no question. Yes, in Indonesian we say ya. Ya. It's very simple. And no, in Indonesian, tidak. Tidak. And if you are a beginner and you know a few words and you can speak little in Indonesian, we say sedikit. So you can say, to answer the question, apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia? So you say, ya, sedikit. Ya, sedikit. And next, kamu bicara bahasa apa? And to answer this question, just tell what language do you speak. If you speak English, you can say, saya bicara bahasa Inggris. Or if you speak Arabic, so you can say, saya bicara bahasa Arab. Or you speak Russian, in Indonesia, Rusia. So Russian language, in Indonesian bahasa Rusia. So you can say, saya bicara bahasa Rusia. And the last, bahasa apa yang kamu pakai? What language do you use to speak every day? If you speak Indonesian, so you can say, saya gunakan bahasa Indonesia. You speak English, say, saya gunakan bahasa Inggris. That is very simple. Okay, now listen to this conversation. Apakah kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia?
Ya, sedikit.
Kamu bicara bahasa apa?
Bahasa Gayo.
And this is for you. Any question? Ask me in the comment.